guys, it is Sunday. I hope you're having a great weekend.
Show love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
We're heading to Tampa for the Tampa Zoo. It's weird, the closest zoo to us technically, it tells us it's in Apaka, the Central Florida Zoo, right? Is north. Technically, you're like, oh, that's where we should be going. But the Tampa Zoo is literally the same amount of time. But it always wants to send us to the Central Florida Zoo, which is technically longer than the Tampa Zoo. So, yeah. So we are going to Tampa Zoo today. This is our first time going to the zoo in, my first time in years. I could probably say 15 years. This is gonna be Kellan's first zoo, so I'm excited about that. He's been to Animal Kingdom, but this is gonna be a different experience. So we're jumping into the car. As we always kind of come and say hello to you when we're jumping into the car. And it is what it is. Let's go! I don't see no rhinos. They lied. Oh, there's the rhinos.
I thought they had these habitat gates, but there's nothing in here. Alright, so look at that. You don't care. Come on, baby.
Yes, yeah, put it down.
Look at the beautiful elephants. My favorite animal. Isn't he sexy? Look at that sexiness. Sexy. Sexy.
Did you know that they use
Look at my baby daddy.
Yeah.
Baby daddy.
What is that? Is it pig?
Picture, KK, picture. Yeah, that's a, no, that's not a pig. It's a hog, yeah. You heard?
You enjoying yourself, baby? Dan is fighting off the bees.
Those are lanterns.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Is it open at night?
Yeah, cause them up some lights that don't look like they're
like
up for
those
Christmas.
lights. I'm like, that's like nighttime lights. Asking you, are you enjoying yourself? Dan is swanning with
I can't swan them, but that's a fun them one.
exiting Africa right now. My favorite animal. Kapuki? Kapuki? Something puking. I thought you were a tour guide. I thought you knew. See the monkey? Look at the monkey, mama. Look at the monkey. 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 Ooh, ooh, Oh, I was so far from it then. I thought I was right. Angolan colobus. Komodo dragons are scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, this makes me want to vomit. Oh god, Komodo dragons scare me.
I don't see it. Shade, the reflection is messing with it.
Yeah, this one. But I don't see him.
Oh gosh.
I don't think it's in there.
It's not in there?
Daddy said he doesn't see it.
It's not in there.
No, he doesn't see it.
Oh, let's see behind this wood. Very comfortably.
Hiding in the one spot.
He doesn't see it.
Which I doubt it.
I'm gonna go back around this other.
No, those things are huge. He's not in there.
I've never seen one in person. You see it?
Oh, it is right here. It's under there. You probably been sitting there looking at
No,
the
it
whole time
was
like,
not there though. It was not there.
are you sure it wasn't there?
It was-
I think it was. I think we were looking past it the whole time.
Yo, it was not
I'm sure
there.
You guys are looking past it.
That is crazy.
Let this crawl up there.
You probably been sitting there time like, you want
Yo,
They have poisonous bites.
Yeah.
yeah.
And they'll track you down for miles.
You
bro.
don't
They'll
die
bite you
from
and
the
sit.
bite. It's the bacteria in their saliva. That's what you.
I don't like the way they are, bro. They're cannibals too. I don't know.
You see, Baba? Oh, whoa! You see it? You see it? Where it went to? It disappeared? I know, but it just come in and out. Yeah. Coming in and out. They keep pushing him out. Peekaboo! I see you.
There he is. Mama, look, there he is.
Look at this little baby. Look at this little baby. Tampa. Thanks, we had fun. Yeah. We didn't ride any roller coasters or anything like that, but my raspberry cider was good. The animals were all sleeping. Right? All the animals were sleeping. Oh, restroom trailer. But any words about get out my video, man? Gotta edit you out. What? Who? The polo? Police? Yes. So Tampa Zoo, it was great. We thank you for a wonderful Sunday afternoon. The animals were stinky, but that's a zoo. Wildlife was being wild. Nah, they were all like sleeping. Every single one of them was sleeping. There was like a hog that was awake. Everybody else was sleeping. But it is the afternoon time. Same thing with Animal Kingdom when you're out. When you go in the early morning or if you go like after it rains, they're out. So, yeah.
No, the rhinos were out.
The rhinos were out, yeah. But the vast majority of animals were like sleeping. But like I said, we came in the afternoon. That is what is expected. But it was nice. It was a pretty big zoo. I haven't been to Zoo Miami in years, so I don't know. I can't really compare it. But it was
the giraffe was sleeping, right?
The giraffe probably was sleeping.
Standing up there?
Yeah, giraffes stand up and sleep. But I hope you enjoyed our little clips of the animals that we just showed. And again, thank you for joining us on another zoo day. Or another My Plus Than one day. Yeah. What did you say?
I said you only come in here.
Wash your damn hands. Is that what you want to say?
Wash your hands.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.